help the pancakes. Boo ba 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 boo boo ba ba boo 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 ba boo oo. Llama tescos are abusing them, treating them like savage pancakes or something.
Them have resorted to cannibalism with golden syrup, which is not good. Because we all love pancakes, we assure you that 65% of pancakes would rather be burned alive with stomach acid. Stop bala bang bang rape mice and age of poo.
Thanks to our cannibalism we have been lined up to be shot. It's not our fault we taste so nice with golden syrup. Nice Alma. Oh my god, look at Jim. EPS, my period stains are ruining my life.
Ooh, cheesy fun with my mom.
Please donate 89p less than your daily cup of coffee to the NPP. Hey Nif, smoke a spliff on the Riftarlight het Bob Sniff. Sorry, I have Tourette plop apple. Can I have a Jew, please?
With the money you donate, we will give them provice and send them to Sensibaries for a very enjoyable life. Oh shit, I hate EC's fucking stupid charities, but we're still rolling shit. It's live. Plow pow pow pow.
Do it or I'll shoot you motherfuckers. Palabina sari legs corn pawns your siddle tuna buttery finger sprinter nose and yeah lalmas roll plop po 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 pop po poem.
Do not touch me, or let you get you, 'cause I'm your friend.